Hi YouTube, so we're in a very exciting place today. We're over at Dynodaze for the FN2 meet, and here's the young man himself, young Danny.
Get out your way.
I know, I've come say hello to you.
What?
I've come to say hello to you.
Oh, hello mate, how you doing?
Not too bad.
It was cold this morning, wasn't it, mate?
It is, I wish I'd bought a jacket and some gloves and a hat.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just put mine on the dyno, you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting mine on.
Yeah, we'll get it on.
Yeah.
We'll stick it on, make some content for you, man.
Yeah.
That's what I said it on the white one, there's a bit spoiler.
Just need another white car next, don't we?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's colour coordinated, colour coordinated.
And there we have Danny's FN2, which is actually looking clean for once. There was me thinking I could bring mine filthy, and then Danny's would be even filthier. Yeah, typically he's had his clean, so mine is sticking out. Lovely, nice CRZ. And we got Mark from MKEF Racing, his stripped out FN2. A nice big set of calipers too. Don't know whether we're going to be able to see that all stripped out in there. No, just getting a reflection of me, I think. A nice roll cage. Nice big chunky exhaust sticking out. Must admit, I like the colour of these wheels. I think I'm going to do something similar. Probably just to the OEM wheels though. Now we have a very bright green Rover MG K-swap, I believe. This looks like a proper race car in here. Just warming the car up, going to give her a little go on the old dyno, see what power she's putting out. Not expecting too much, probably pretty much standard. It's got like a Marlin ECU and half of an M2 exhaust, so yeah, we're probably looking at like 200 horsepower, but obviously a bit of mid-range power from the lower VTEC, so we shall see. It'd be cool just to get a baseline, so moving forward I'll be able to see what sort of gains I've made. it's time to leave. An awesome day. Quite pleased with the 208 horsepower I've got. You know, like I said, it's just half an M2 exhaust and a Marlin ECU. So yeah, pretty chuffed with that. Good starting point. Met some great guys. We're all just sort of heading off at the moment. Yeah, so go and check out MKEF Racing on YouTube, and go and check out Daz R on YouTube. And obviously Dynodaze, which I'm sure you're all subscribed to anyway, but I'll chuck that one out there. And time for the long journey home. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the old notifications bell. Chuck a comment down below. And I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.